Top 3 games better than Axie Infinity. Hey there guys, and welcome to the crypto world. Before we start with the video, let us tell you about today's sponsor, Gate.io. Now, for those of you who don't know Gate.io, Gate.io is a platform to which protects your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and allow funds to add extra protection for the users. Using Gate.io, you'll be able to trade, buy, earn, and stay up to date with everything around crypto. We will leave a link in the description for you. With that being said, please do remember that this video is not financial advice, so before investing any money, please do your own research. And now to the video. Today's video we will talking about top 3 games that are superior to Axie Infinity. First and foremost, we must understand what Axie Infinity is, correct? Axie Infinity is a non-fungible token-based online video game developed by Sky Mavis, noted for its in-game economy built on Ethereum-based coins. Axie Infinity players collect and mint NFTs that depict Axies, axolotl-inspired digital pets. The next major thing in the century will be NFT-based games like Axie Infinity and IGO's initial game offerings. Today, in this video, we'll look at 3 fascinating NFT gaming apps that are similar to Axie Infinity and could be the next Axie Infinity. Are you looking for a better alternative to Axie Infinity, the NFT-based game that can make you money? Here are 3 gaming apps similar to Axie Infinity that you should check out. How to purchase real estate in the metaverse. What if I told you that playing games on platforms or applications similar to Axie Infinity can earn you nearly $5,000 per month? What if I told you that there are a slew of excellent Axie Infinity substitutes? As a result, investing the same amount of time on NFT gaming applications can make you over $10,000 each month. This post will explain how to make money playing NFT games like Axie Infinity. According to Gartner, gamification marketing is used by 70% of the global 2000 companies. Because of improved user interaction, this trend has exploded in the post-pandemic era. Gamification is also becoming a source of passive income for many people. After a significant 350,000 daily user activity, Axie Infinity, an NFT-based mobile-first game, had reached ATH. It recently hosted 170 million in trade volume. The pricing of a few Axie Infinity NFTs averaged $200. As the gamification of the NFT proceeds, new competitors will emerge. We've chosen 3 games that we think will be the next Axie Infinity and are the best NFT games in this video. So, in the cryptocurrency realm, there are a lot of NFT games like Axie Infinity. From my perspective, it all boils down to whether or not they're worth pursuing. And the buzz right now in terms of buzz is all about Axie Infinity. Let's get back to the best games similar to Axie Infinity. 1. Trade Race Manager. 2. My DeFi Pet. 3. Townstar. Trade Race Manager. The first crypto NFT trading game. We put in the same amount of time into Trade Race Manager as we did in Axie Infinity, and we discovered that you may increase your revenue by doubling, tripling, or even quintupling it. This provides you a lot more bang for your buck in terms of the amount of time you spend playing. This is the greatest Axie Infinity alternative. Trade Race Manager received the same amount of attention as Axie Infinity. And we discovered that by doubling, tripling, or even quintupling your revenue, you may double, triple, or even quintuple your profits. In terms of the amount of time you spend playing, this gives you a lot more bang for your buck. This is the best endless Axie alternative. Even after the TRM's debut in 2018, Axie Infinity, an NFT-based platform, is still one of the best and most popular crypto games in the world today. Here's an overview of what Axie Infinity is all about. TRM works in the same way that Pokemon does. The gamer utilizes animals to gain money and combat other creatures in this game. Axie Infinity is an online gaming platform based on the NFT protocol and built on the Ethereum blockchain network. Android, iOS, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Macintosh are all supported with this Axie Infinity. What is the procedure for downloading Trade Racer? Download the ICICI Direct Trade Racer desktop app download. Visit the ICICI Direct website for further information. On the top menu, select Products and Services, then select the Trade Racer tab. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Download Trade Racer button. Is TRM2 a free-to-play game? TRM2's new features. Anyone can join a team for no cost, and fueling for the race has become as simple as clicking a button. There are new courses springing up all over the world, each with its own fuel strategy and fueling options. The compensation for owners and managers has been increased. 2. My Defi Pet-Axle Infinity-like games. My Defi Pet is a virtual pet game that combines science fiction, collectibles, and your personal preferences. My Defi Pet is compatible with Binance Smart Chain and Cardia Chain networks. The DPET token is the primary in-game money. It will mostly be used for trading, exchanging, and enhancing pets and their unique powers during the first phase. By merging normal game architecture, NFT, and My Defi features, My Defi Pet, the finest apps like Axie Infinity, provides a unique gaming experience. Pets can be gathered, bred, and introduced into the My Defi Pet environment to aid players in combating foes and earning money through play-to-earn features. A pet's quality is defined by its genes and characteristics. Right present. My Defi Pet may be found on Binance Smart Chain and Cardia Chain. What to do first? Get BNB tokens and a Binance Smart Chain wallet. The Binance Smart Chain can be added to your MetaMask wallet. Select Play Now on mydefipet.com. To play, you'll need at least one pet. You can either buy a pet on the market or pay 3 DPET to summon an egg and acquire a random pet. This feature is in development. Sort pets according to their class, rarity, stage, and element. Prices for pets fluctuate, but as of March 2022, the cheapest NFT pet we found on the BSC marketplace was advertised for 0.0045 BNB, about $1.67. 3. Binamon, NFT gaming apps similar to Axie Infinity. In gaming, a complete metaverse of digital monsters. In the new play-to-earn game, take on the most fearsome monsters. Ascend the Binamon ranks for a chance to compete in the world rankings. Blockchain-powered gaming projects Binamon is on a quest to revolutionize the way consumers interact with online games. The launch date for Binamon's first play-to-earn game was just announced. Imagine being able to make money while enjoying your favorite game. Without a doubt, this is paving the way for the future generation of video games. The best Axie Infinity alternative on August 28, 2021. Binamon will launch its play-to-earn game, which will be open to the whole public. Gamers will be able to easily and gratifyingly play, enjoy, and earn money. Binamon NFTs are already selling for $50,000, so the play-to-earn game is coming out at the right time. Binamon is presently in the Artemis phase of their roadmap. They will also include tournament betting, scholarships, and other advancements throughout this period. VR, AR enhancements, additional narratives, dungeons, guilds, and house decoration construction are some of the other interesting things that will be included in future phases. The Binamon team is putting forth extra effort to ensure that the audience receives a high-quality game. On iOS, Android, and web browsers, the game is available. It's still a fantastic time to join the Binamon bandwagon, especially given the game is just in phase 3 of its 10 scheduled phases. Binamon has a lot of potential and is one of the best NFT games out today, similar to Axie Infinity. Conclusion. To begin with, for those who are completely new to the crypto gaming arena, Axie Infinity and similar games do an excellent job of providing the correct framework for playing NFT games, earning money by playing games, and so on. So, if someone spends close to 8 hours a day playing NFT games, they should consider it as a job alternative. So, for the more casual type of crypto-agnostic online player, this is a perfect on-ramp. It's also a fascinating opportunity to get into the burgeoning universe of non-fungible non-fungible tokens offered by NFT. Let's say you're serious about making money using Axie Infinity or similar games. If you play a game on Axie Infinity full-time or part-time, you have more potential than you realize. We wish you the best of luck. Suppose you start a career in NFT gaming using apps like Axie Infinity. Best wishes. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next video. Until then, take care.